Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. This tutorial will guide you through how to use AI detection. To enable and set up AI detection, navigate to the AI settings and turn on the AI status. You can also adjust the alert severity, enable auto-pause/discard, and adjust the AI sensitivity. When a print job is running with AI detection, a small picture stream window will appear in the left bottom corner of the live stream window if a medium level or higher failure is detected. The picture stream displays the failure marked with a box in a different color. Snapshots generated by AI detection can be reviewed and downloaded while the print job is running. To do so, click the Media button. A window will pop up containing different folders/collections that indicate the print progress. Click on a collection to see all snapshots taken in reverse order by AI detection. Select one or multiple snapshots and click Download. The files will be zipped and downloaded to the local storage. To review the details of a snapshot, click on it to maximize it, and then click the Info icon. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.